Hey everyone, so today I want to do the other three colors in here and try out the red lipsticks I bought. It was Parisian red. Um, so last time I did these three colors, and this time I want to use these three colors. So I'm gonna dip into the medium color right here. Oh, but first, since we already know that they crease, this one is pink quartz. It's a pink with a, gold or a rose gold. Since they crease, I'm going to use it as a base color. Yeah, I don't know if you're picking it up, but it is so pretty. It's really too bad that they crease. Wow. These colors are really, really intense. Let's dip into that dark color. The cream shadows are crap, but the actual shadows are amazing. Then last, I'm going to dip into this gorgeous frosty color. Okay, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I just used this palette. It's highlighter, blush, contour. I used Parisian red with First Date lip gloss. And again, I'm kind of disappointed. I thought that these were more opaque, but anyway, that's what I put over the lipstick. The lipstick is a tiny bit warm, which I don't like, but I put this over it to make it look better. So yeah. And I did the fake lashes again. I'm just not good at it, but because last time I had one lash going down. So yeah. So again, I used this is the micellar one. They work fine for taking off makeup. I always find that I need my eye makeup remover to remove all of my mascara from my eyes, all the glue and gunk. And I always use a soap. I don't just use this alone because it doesn't work alone. It pulls at your skin. The only ones I find that works really well are the Yes 2 ones. Well, at least out of the ones I've tried. I keep forgetting to use this. And I think later I might try this on. I've been using like purple nails for the month, and I think I might put this because they have it now at the stores now. So I might put that over this and take a picture later. So yeah, so that's that for this. Oh, and in my hair, I used this. I cut open the top. You gotta shake it really good, squeeze it in your hand, and that's what I have in my hair, rose gold.